everyone. So it is Monday, July 19. It is around 11:47 and Presley Bear is sleeping right now. So I have some time to get ready. So today I'm actually going to an event. It is the second event in person that I have been to this year in regards to work. So it's a cover effects event. They're doing something like pretty big for the eyes. It's gonna be at the beach. So since Presley's sleeping, I thought I'd just film me getting ready. Since the last one I did, you guys said you guys wanted me to do it ever so often. So here I am. I'm just going to use primer. I already put skincare on my face earlier. So I'm just gonna prime right now. SMASHBOX primer. So lately I've been using this primer from HOOLA, which I really love. That's more for every day when it comes to like events and things like that. This one I love so much because it's very, very smoothing. The HOOLA one is also, but this is like special occasion. This is what like they put on models for the runway. Okay, anyway, so lately I've also been really loving the IT Cosmetics Neutral Tan. It's not a foundation. A good one for just like every day in the house is the Merit one, but this one is just what I've also been wearing, like even for going out, just because I just don't want anything too heavy. And since I've been loving my skin lately, I feel like I have the right groove of products, taking collagen, and like these skin and digestion pills from JS Health. Also, just because I do use concealer, I put on powder, I feel like I don't really need too much foundation anyway. So let's move on. I've also been really liking like creams lately. So cream, bronzer, contour, blush, and things like that. And I never used to like use it or know how to use it the right way. I think that's what it is. Now, mind you, I'm going to an event. So this is more like heavy duty type of makeup, not just like quick, typical everyday makeup. So I've been liking the Makeup by Mario cream. What is it? Soft Sculpt Shaping Stick. This one is medium. Now this one's great for every day, but I'll also end up adding a powder contour on top. But this one is exactly what it is. It's Soft Sculpt is what he called it. And it really is. Do you see how easily it blends? And how soft of a look it is? Nothing like crazy or heavy duty. But like I said, I'm still gonna add a powder bronzer on top just to more like define it more. So this is how I do cream. So I do the cream stuff first. I'm gonna go in with HOURGLASS Sacred Vanish Stick. I actually think I wanna mix two of them. So Wonder and Sacred, I'm gonna mix. These ones are so great. I always take this brush by Bare Minerals. It's like a stippling brush and I love it for applying anything cream just because it goes on really softly, not gonna like smear too hard. So this is what I do for cream. I start with my CC cream or foundation, and then I go into my bronzer or contour, and then I'll do blush. And then I'll do concealer. And then that's when I add in the powders. I think it's always better to put concealer once you're done with all these cream products. I also like to have like a blended cohesive look, so I always like add whatever blush I'm using on my forehead, like contour area, on my nose a little bit so it looks sun-kissed, and on my chin. I've also been adding color like the higher points of my cheeks, so not really much here in the front, like just more up here, so I get a more lifted look. Now again, I'm going to an event in a couple hours, and so it's okay that I have this much blush. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with concealer. So I've been really liking the DIOR concealer and Shape Tape concealer again, but since I'm going, again, like I said, to an event, kind of just want something more heavy duty. This one I found I don't crease a lot with, so. Now I'm I'm gonna set my under eye with Laura Mercier. This one is actually translucent honey, so as opposed to the regular OG, this is more of like a honey color. It's almost like banana powder by Ben Nye Color. Then I just like to also kind of brighten my lids in a way, just like set them before I put a little bit of eyeshadow on, just like that. Oh, forgot to mention, I also will set a little bit. I've been using this It Cosmetics Your Skin But Better CC powder, so I'll just add it to where I didn't put powder. That way it's also set. There you go, not too much. I don't want to look too matte or too dry. Still using Anastasia Brow Wiz for my brows. These poor brows. I try to use Latisse on them, but I don't know, they just won't grow back. Alright, so brows are done. Cleaned it up a little around it with some concealer and a brush, and then I feel like sometimes when you fill your brows in and then you clean it up, it can be harsh sometimes, so I like to go in with this brow gel from Anastasia. It's not like the best to keep your brows in place, but I like it more for color to kind of lighten it up, because like I said, sometimes when you fill your brows in, the color can be a little bit harsh. So this one I feel like just kind of softens the color up, but kind of adds a little bit of highlights, almost like my hair, so it kind of blends. I love when the brows are done because I feel like the bulk of my work is done. Brows take so long. If you are blessed with natural thick brows, I am so envious of you. Okay, so next I'm gonna do Makeup by Mario. This palette, I really love this palette. Ooh. I feel like it's the only palette you need if you really don't want to go too crazy, but you want a little something. Then I already put like some setting powder you guys saw earlier, so I'm just gonna take this brush right here. It's like a fluffy brush, and then this color here just on my brow bone. I love like flush of color on my lids. I'm never like going too crazy with my shadow though. Just not like the biggest fan of crazy shadow, and then when I actually do get shadow on, I always feel like I look crazy, but I love like shadow on people. Okay, and then I'll take this more like precise brush right here. This is Sigma Buff and Blend E39, and I'll just take this color right here at the end too. And then I'll just do like the inner corner. Same with this side. Go back in with that same fluffy brush. So then I'll just add a little lightening agent, little light eyeshadow. I'm going for a matte lid look. So that's it. I do want to tie it all together. Where's my brush? I really need to get organized with my makeup station down here. Oh, I love this brush, by the way. I feel like if you have one brush that you can bring as far as eyeshadow brushes go, maybe if you're traveling, this might be it. So I'm gonna take that same one. I'm gonna go down here just to tie it all together. And again, I'm not like the kind of person that likes too much under the eye, just a little bit like that, just to tie it together. So then I'll go and curl my eyes. So because I think they're launching a mascara, they said to come with no mascara on. So I'm just gonna curl my lashes. So when I curl my lashes, I kind of start from the bottom and then curl the bottom, then curl the middle parts, middle parts, middle parts, and then the top. So I'm usually curling the strongest at the bottom, and then I'm not curling as strong once I get to the top, because you don't want like the tops of your lashes to be like super crimped. Which also, my lashes are going through the shedding process. I do use Latisse on my lashes. Again, bottom, middle, and then the top. Whoops. All right, so that's a better example on this eye. because I have more lashes on that side. All right, so now I'm just gonna go in with my HOOLA bronzer. Like I said earlier, I'm gonna add some more like powder to the top. I'm really just gonna get in there, just like that. Close as possible to my roots. Since I have been losing some hair postpartum, I kind of wanna, in a way, like hide, you know, make it seem like it's hair, but it's not. Then just like here, right here at the end, just like that. Then here, don't worry, I'm gonna buff everything out. So then I'm gonna take this brush, Sigma Duo Fiber F50. These lines are a little harsh, so that's why we buff it out, so it just looks pretty smooth. And I do the contour here on my jaw just so that there's separation between my neck and my jaw. Brush this powder off. Let me add some highlighter. I've been using this one from Mercier. Super pretty. It is Indiscretion. Put it right here with my finger. Love a good Cupid's bow highlight. Just like that. Then I'll just take this little brush again. No, this is It Cosmetics brush. And I'll just apply that right there. Oh, and I forgot to mention Summer Fridays lip balm. I'm using on my lips right now. I'm not gonna put my lip product until later, but this stuff is literally the best. If you have chapped lips and you can't seem to find a product that will actually hydrate it and keep it not chapped, this is actually it. All right, so now I'm just gonna do my hair. I'm gonna add some Prep and Protect leave-in spray. This one is by NEXXUS. You can actually use this on dry hair. It's going to prime the hair. It's like a heat protectant as well. Put that all over here. I'm also kind of using it to re-wet my hair since it's been air dried overnight. Okay, so I'm using the Dyson Corral to do my hair. So as you can see, it's a cordless flat iron that also can curl, and it's so nice to not have a cord attached to it. But I basically just did some really subtle waves. And this one's also nice because obviously it's a flat iron, so it can straighten your hair, but also it can curl. And if you ever curl any really curly parts out, you can also just kind of go over it, any of the curly parts, just to kind of calm that curl down, because I don't want anything too curly. And so then I'm gonna do the other side. All right, so this is the finished product, just very subtle, very beachy. Then I'm gonna add some product to give it more definition. I'm gonna use my KERASTASE VIP volume and powder. I love this stuff so much. It gives your hair volume and also texturizes. So just like that. And there you go. So now I need to pick out what to wear. So as far as what I'm gonna wear tonight, I'm thinking this long sleeve dress right here. It is going to be at the beach, like I said, but I just wanted something long sleeve to protect my arms from the sun and also protect my legs from the sun, and then possibly wear a hat. So kind of like downplay this dress, you know what I mean? And this was literally the only long sleeve maxi dress that I had that was like not too fancy for the beach. So I think this is gonna be the one. All right, so here is the outfit. I just found this bag in my stash of summer bags and it goes really well with it actually. So this dress you might have seen me wear from my summer boohoo videos. And then I think I'm gonna wear this hat just because I'm trying to protect myself from the sun since it's gonna be at the beach. But also this is what it looks like without it. Now that I have the hat on, I feel like I should wear it. I feel like it's really cute with the hat, like a really cute accessory. And I'm just gonna wear some flat shoes since it is at the beach. Just like some lace-up shoes, like gladiator ones. But what do you guys think? All right, you guys, that is it for this video. Get ready with me going to an event video. Hope you guys liked it. If you did, let me know in the comments below. Again, if you want me to keep this going, everything I use on my face, this outfit, the hat, everything, even the earrings, and the rings. Have these rings, by the way. Super cute. I will link it all in the description and accessories as well. But other than that, thank you so much for watching. See you next time.